Over time, I realized that my true passion and calling were in working with young children. Then I was given the opportunity to manage the daycare program in our barangay, a role I held for 14 years. Through this experience, I witnessed firsthand how important early childhood education is in shaping a child's development, values, and lifelong learning. So I decided to pursue professional education to gain more knowledge and skills in education. This journey eventually led to my being hired by the City Social Welfare and Development Office, where I currently handle the ECCD program, being designated as the Child Development Teacher in the National Child Development Center of Baybay City, LGU. In the year 2023, I had the opportunity to get a scholarship in early childhood education program that was sponsored by the ECCD Council in partnership with the West Visayas State University, wherein upon completion of the program, I earned 18 units in early childhood education. In addition to my responsibilities in handling the operations in NCDC, I also serve as the ECCD focal person, supervising 100 child development workers in implementing the ECCD program of our locality. These experiences strengthened my desire to further my education. I decided to pursue a master's degree in early childhood education to deepen my understanding of a child's development, improve my professional practice, and better serve children, families, and the community. Since this is an online program, I appreciate the opportunity to connect and collaborate with classmates from diverse backgrounds and experiences. I believe that learning together with you will be an important part of this journey. Outside of school and my work, I enjoy hanging out with my family to stay balanced. I also value lifelong learning and professional growth, and I'm very excited to take the next step towards my career goals. Thank you for taking the time to watch my introduction, and I'm looking forward to learning with all of you and grow together as early childhood education professionals.